my dear friends who have come here to be part of this very historic and a very, very important meeting of the National People's Party. Friends, in a couple of months, we will be having elections. And these elections may be one of the most important elections in the history of our state. 50 years have been completed since we got our statehood. And as we step into the next 50 years, as citizens of our state, we have to decide where we want to take our state forward. And it is these elections that will lay the foundation, chalk out the path for us to be able to take our great state forward in the next 50 years. As a political leader, I believe in two things very, very strongly. Number one, I am a God-fearing citizen. I believe that God will always guide us in whatever we do. Kong Biolinda in a speech said, "May God give you the wisdom and the courage to move forward." They sound like very simple words, which we always say. But let me tell you, they have a very, very deep meaning. As a government, we have been in many difficult situations. And we have required that wisdom to take the decision. We have required that courage to be able to make that decision. And it is because of the guidance from above that we have that wisdom and the courage to move forward. Number two, I always have believed that when we are in politics, it is always the people first. You should never be asking for power. Never be asking for paisa. It is the people that is the most important part of politics. You work for the people, you be dedicated to the people. The people will bless you with the position, with the power, and with all the blessings that you require to move forward. I know that there are many, many political parties that are going to say many things about the National People's Party. They will make different comparisons. Say that National People's Party is from a different region. I am very sad for people who think like that. As political leaders, every single citizen of this state is important to us. We don't differentiate between tribes. We don't differentiate between religions, or we don't differentiate between castes. God has always taught us to love each other. And those people today who try to make comments to divide are people with a very, very narrow thinking. And I'm sad today that people, even in today's world, will still use issues like this in politics today. When we as a party are trying to take our state forward, every region every constituency, every citizen of the state must move forward. That is the policy with which the National People's Party works. We will take everybody forward together. Everybody. And let me tell you, let any political party throw as many stones at us as they want. Let them make fun of the National People's Party as much as they want. Let them use different issues and agendas against the National People's Party as much as they want. But let me tell you, it is the National People's Party that is going to form the government in 2023. And we want Mawthadraishan people to be with us. We want to take everybody along with us. Friends, many political leaders have been elected from this constituency. I'm not here to talk about them. I'm not here to criticize them. And I'm not here to criticize any political party. I don't believe in the politics of criticism. I don't. Rarely would you have heard me ever give a speech, even in a political speech or in press, criticizing anybody. I don't believe in criticism. But I do believe in quality. I do believe that if we want to take our constituency and our state forward, we need capable leaders. We need people who can think and work with the times that we are in today. We need people who can bring in the ideas. We need people and leaders who can understand the problems of the constituency, speak about it, work for it, and change those issues and problems that the people are facing. It is the duty of the leadership to bring those changes. Many constituencies in our state have seen huge change in terms of development that has taken place. Sadly, some constituencies did not get those kind of developments that they deserved. I can't imagine that there is no proper hospital in a constituency, an area which is so large, having almost close to 45,000 votes. I can't imagine that there is no college or large hospitals out here or different facilities that are required. Isn't it time that the people of the constituency realize that this must change? That people deserve better? That the time has come to choose the right leader who can make the difference for you. The time has come. And I believe that this 2023 election will be the moment that the people of Mawthadraishan constituency have been waiting for the past 50 years. And I can assure you that if we are able to work together and bring in the changes, bring in the change in the leadership out here, I'm sure that Mawthadraishan constituency will also move forward the way the other constituencies in our state are moving forward. Today, the state government has embarked into ambitious programs, be it the self-help group movement for women, be it the youth program of Yes Meghalaya, be it the farmers program of Focus and Focus Plus. But sadly, large number of people from Mawthadraishan constituency have been left out. And the people of Mawthadraishan constituency have to ask this question, why? Why, when many other constituencies are getting the benefit, why people of Mawthadraishan constituency are not? In our small capacity, whenever we get a chance, we are working, we are helping. But unless the mandate of the people is not there, the complete power given by the people is not there, in terms of an elected representative, we have limitations. We want to do so much, but the channel through which we have to do is not the best channel that we have right now. We need a better channel. We need a better access to Mawthadraishan constituency. We need a person who will be able to think and work and be capable and match up to the speed of what this government is doing, which sadly, at this point in time, is not there. Under Focus and Focus Plus, more than 2.5 lakh farmers in the state have benefited. 2.5 lakh farmers. More than 150 crore rupees has been distributed to different farmers. And no, this is not a loan. You don't have to give these funds back to government. This is yours. And if the NPP government continues in 2023, which it will, we intend to continue this program and do it every year. We want to ensure that our farmers are benefited every year. This is a small amount compared to the large expenditures that we have in other sectors. And the reason why this is happening is because the National People Party believes that our farmers need to be supported, that the farmers need to be helped. And in the past, no other government has ever come out with a benefit scheme like the Focus and Focus Plus ever in the history of our state. And we feel that in the days to come, this will be a game changer. And to give you an idea, we intend to give the 4.5 lakh families of farmers and different producer groups 10,000 rupees per year, which is 500,000 into the group account and 5,000 into personal account. Which means every year 450 crores will go into the different groups and personal accounts. And you imagine this program continues for the next 10 years. In 10 years, we will have 4,500 crores that will go into the poor people's and the farmers and producer group account. Can you imagine 4,500 crores rotating in the rural economy through the different bank accounts of different producer groups and farmers is going to create a revolution like never before. And this is a vision with which we are working today. Government of Meghalaya spends thousands of crores on government employees' salary. Thousands of crores on teachers' salaries. Why can't we spend 450 crores on our farmers and producers every year? It is nothing much to ask. But the kind of change that it will bring at the grassroots level is going to be huge. And that's the reason why, my dear friends, we need your support to take our dreams and our vision for the state forward. It is only by being united and being together will we be able to achieve the goals and objectives that we have. And I strongly believe that it is leaders like Kong Biolinda, with the capacity that they have, with the kind of vision that they have, with the kind of leadership quality that they have, with the kind of commitment that they have. It is with leaders like these that we will be able to bring the change, not just for Mawthadraishan constituency, but for our entire state. So my dear friends, I have another program in Umsning constituency where our sitting MLA from there, Mr. Jason Mawlong, will be joining the party today in Umsning, and hence Kong Ampareen and myself will be flying there straight. The meeting has started. Hence we had wanted to stay longer, but we have urgent meetings to attend. But once again, I would like to thank all of you, especially Kong Biolinda and the entire family of the National People's Party, and each and every one of you for having come here and organized this wonderful meeting with the kind of faces I'm seeing here, with a large number of supporters who have gathered out here. I have no doubt that in this coming 2023 election, we as a family and Kong Biolinda as our leader and as our candidate of this constituency will come out successful and will come out with flying colors in this election. I am very, very sure about that. And I wish each and every one of you the very best for this election. Once again, thank you so much for this meeting. May God bless each and every one of you. May God bless the National People's Party, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.
Habawan ke eryong batakit no yakayin jong kami hi mut kami kan liat kumno kan syong hakaleer kan syong sabar kan pengkriat di kon gikti bajong dalay nay ruan kung galang kami haba pra kayin kajonga ngahap banlet banre tren hakaway pat kayin kabaila ban aja kalem yanga bagay gikon gikti gijonga day kata kabaja akajala kabay kajongi ngin kwa ban krendeng ban kanpo ban penrem yano ruen Menta ngadon hakapati NPP kata National People's Party. Pinayas mo ikikantin jong ilong kumi ibaday candidate jong fi. Ato, hindi ikikantin spy, ikikantin rupa, kajan yu isya jengay, kabasyong nong rim, kabadan kajing trang, bat kabakwat, banten kelak. Mapihang ni Mawthadraishan, ngataray pilayobat, ya kajing syakri jong kalong kumi. Bat ngataray bikin mau iti ito ilong kumi, ibalawan, ban syakri yapi. Hakisnem ki baladet lese pi benut pisa nut ya kata jylla jong kata kanong kume ban syakri pi chiposnem ila ay lati ki way bakin shimti ya kata donkam ban sharai pi ban penbiang pi ban penskem ni ki jingim ki jongpi ban abang apet akmat jong akat ni krui piya syong ngait kadai kata kajing porta jong kajing kela hato pikwa ya kajing kela hotem kam jam lada pikwa ya kajing kela pihak don benta ha kajing kela pihak ya no banten kela ya kajing em jong pi Abaw sabi jong kata kajing kela usyong haili di ijong pi. Kiten ya ke NPP. Kiyong kaparti daro. Ipetyalang balay. Lyngdoh kiladai kigaro, kitensong kiladai kigaro, kibersa kidai kigaro, hato tinten thalia biang mo yang jylla kabangin kejongi, kabangila thawi mangi, lemba kinong shua kimang shua kijongi. Hakapon mo wanrah jylla kabangin jongi hong shia jatun tais pak nyo po ar. Hatong ikene syong lang baro, kiba syong sa kinikitan. Pagdawa yan ang jylla kabangin kejongi, sampos nem hadin, pinong pariaya ka, pismong syong nong rinya kata, mapiginong syong jong ka Mawthadraishan. To dayapet, katay ka sorkar tumi kale ayu ya kijat penriu kibaya shrut, kijat penriu kibaya pat, kibaya pra, ingetnya pinget, bahaka siklemat, ya kan jylla Kashmir lapan kelak Union Territory. Ikuaya katabakan jaha pihara, balai tinggal show ki nongialam ki MLA ki NPP, banwan daulat ban syaraya ke jylla kejongi, watsa pengok hakum kita ki briew. Kiba kwa prai tang sipor, banyak keren sepang kata kajingnya pat kajingnya pra. Engrai ko ay dingin ya teli. Kay ke NPP. Ke NPP kadai ke parti naway. Kawan na Delhi kata kat parti. Atau kawan na Kolkata ng West Bengal. Ne kawan na kajilla katulong. Jong ka jinglong jingman jong inong song snong hamegalaya. Ka NPP kadai ka khun jong ka sen Congress. Baro kimasyem ya ka jingjinjar hakasan berthay. Haba kiwin kayin kasem. Haba wan ka eryong ban penjot penpra. Ngin leit banyas no baka party jong ka jylla. Mano baong baka NPP kamdei ka jong P ka jong ha? Pikwa banyas no sa baki briew ki party ki matanglat ka khanaparam dong ba itosyo. Menakaling nalala balet sa kong kita ki party. Ngray balay ba mga bakinong kyrshan ki jong ha? Ngi perkat ba ngi donkam banlet banteng khlaiñ. Ya ke parti kawai. Kenapa numpuan kata ke sorkar kau kaba pilayo mat biang hakini kisan sem kibalade. Net jangan ka duty ka jopi kadai banjit ya nongialam. Ka duty jong nongialam pat kaba kau kadai ban pendeli para mengiswa. Nilale ya kababiak nilale ya kababha naman ninatrang pansensya no dalade yalade kasorkar sansnen kabadet ladalot baro kita ki parti san perthen ki kenapat batang ke NPP badai ke BJP. Ngejana watsa pentale hakum kita kinongialam kibalaklet ya kata kajingyate soskular samsmen habapiya soskular lang ya kabasnew ya simba khlaiñ pilayate ya kasoskular lang wat ong batang kababhale mga kaparti jong no kababambakla dan kaparti hakapertay sa tlak pero kumay banong kaparti jongi di kabakutang kaparti jongi kabamdon jingjabo jingbe niladan hakali kabentalong nongialam ya kali kari bakajat penir benriyo na bon snem wahika yangi ya ka ay kabangilane Batya ka ay kamangilali. Mawthadraishan. Maap. Ladang ibakla. Kajing bakla. Kalong kajing hikay. Kajing KM Hadin pangibakla. Kanwan lam. Kajing bha. Ya ke NPP. Ya kata kajing sensyar kabat peli kawai. Ngi donkam. Duna lai powai ngut ki MLA hato nila mo hangi ban kentu ya pilalong ne em ki bopen kre ban ayengi iwei na kita ki MLA rakti ipeti ya mano balalong ready rakam setrong what thing mano bang dan kapisa hadingin bago ngidon kam kapisa kajing kali kalang pilon kapisa tang for election sanslen pille kumno kinangom pinya kali haba ay briew kapisa to yasin pi banyaba banyate yalagi jong giyeng kisem henry kabod kabakentang mo watsya yalang bakla perhat ha ya kata ka jintali kawai ka jylla kawai ka parti nongialam duna lai puwai ngut gidan kam ini longkne ibalai ngasngap ya kata ka speech ka jong ngoong ini ikong ilagyan banwan yathir bat iha assembly ayo iya kata tapi itu scam mo scam baay bisa kibir to yasin ko badal kan ya kapisa to ya kabot ito nginya po kentang nginom niya siya yalang bakla kiyong kata ka NPP kadai ka parti National Party bakan sa kajinlot kiyong hanaya kata kajing donjing emong ni hajalla jong ilada kadai ka NPP kalong sorkar kajing bit halong kajing bit kajing ya keren bit halong kajing ya keren bit ya keren kalong kena kata ka BJP kata ka PNC kawan kaba sado siya ni hajalla jong ihato lakajit mo ya kata ka bi kajong atau kila sukha lagi jong jylla ngilang kampang penpro ialah kajong kejabing sanpau senen kereta kajong briew kalau ayu kebor ban kamai ban kaji ban penha ban penkrau balai omrong mo ombit mo ya ke jylla kajong i bandon kawai ke National Party Sangki bit kibadang duna kajing tet ikiran komtang hang the hayin barbar kawan hapalelen pitet kanongot KMP kare ke jylla kajong ikadan kadang tang laingat KMP nakilai kan rumah kita KMP ar mangi ngithau an haka jylla lajong KMP ngithau ikian di bakam krau bit pila yung kata kajing tumu bampen telah yang ke section yun kita ki district councils ki jongi lada pimpon ki MP hangte hadeli undan te bapushi biyangan undan mas ngapingi tongin kitbok yang ada ke NPP makan nangyar kan khlaiñ balada kalam mingi barok ngiya tali baka ke NPP lese hakawai gas ngin dan chino wat KMP kiman ang hamzi hadeli pe ha wat modul pinpen kreding hakaktin hindi ngingi dedi Khasi ngin sabang ya kaktin Khasi dia penode mental wan nonglait wan pentame ya piyanga ang banyak kren na hindi piyon ngam hol assembly ngarapan iya kalenti hikren yang ada ke hindi ngam kren mga ada ka Khasi para mangyagpay why siya no briew gigawang kte katne ya ke NPP. Balay, mag-iyalang lang, chup-chap. Banong ka NPP dede kaba hima balay. Pamigil, babo nangingilit, padrong hakatakasen, ngin, penkraw. To ay, pigi makrenden niya ke NPP, ay makiktin, kiba bigren kindertok yabi. Ato, iyong briew, kakata social media, kakata ka NPP dede, kamalatulit na kijing Ato, baro picture lang maka NPP for balay dagi kam snail. Lay marway ka usa Conrad mo sata. Ngaya nga, ma, yagi jing bakla. Ma, yagi jing duna kijongi. Menta bongon nila yalet, lalet si Kong Biolinda, lalet sa mga ter, pinayoi. Kanowot ki MLA, ki baday ki MLA, ki narong siya ka NPP. Atong irong na marmiko, along gibre gibas niyo. Tinabi, ki dinkredi ni punta. O balay, kapor election niya itri, hakapor makaki, kari makadad pumriyo manopi, bayaki, kamday mangi, ibasyong ha assembly. Mawthadraishan. What are katin? Bakit mau? Ngenias nonang baga NPP. Penjob lenya kali kalong kumi. Bara di mansuagi, long suga jongi ki Khasi ki ongkom ne. Hamale ki kam ki bakraw. Donkam lang. Yaki Rangbah, baki long kumi. Banya merjing mot lang. Hitip. Bahagi ne ki babon slam mentah. Kalau kami Khasi kabarong assembly dahil mga marway, kimisin ay nga mga marway, si marway ni kami, kakam school, kakam hospital, kakam drop, ya kibaryang, ayan nga sa kaway katerpeng, nin nilet siya po sila, ka-jing siyong shit ka sila. Ngayon ibang hangin manta ka-jing siyong shit, ka Mawthadraishan. Si hajar mo ko Mawthadraishan. Ya kane kares kampat kut. Tenmo yobi thaiñ si tenglenti. Barawar unong yalekay ubapaw ng upensuki kajing mare. Bat andala dyan po'y kataka finishing line. Mare katala. Kaya mare lang ba't Kong Biolinda. Ngada ikang kanong ay mansin. Nangrenget tulong kami. Habawan imay. Katlang ikon. Katlang iba. Katlang baro. Namangidon kam na jingkalang. At yung ikinap meru. Bagi niya na jingmot lang. Ba't kinikirang ba? Banpen kat maawigi. Banpen lang. Bansinsya lang.
This has created history for the people of Mawthadraishan. Because this is the first time that the Chief Minister has landed here in Mawthadraishan constituency. I believe that your presence with us today, sir, has created a great impact to the family of National People's Party here in Mawthadraishan constituency, to the people, to the supporters of the National People's Party Mawthadraishan constituency. We know that you are very busy. We know that after this program, you have to run again for another program in Umsling constituency. But thank you so much, sir, for giving your precious time to us, because this means so much to the people of the constituency. Maybe not just to the people of the National People's Party, but I guess to the Mawthadraishan constituency as a whole. I pray that God be with you. He will give you strength. He will give you wisdom. He will give you courage to work harder for the contribution of the constituency, of the state as a whole. May God grant you good health, in the days to come, so that we can run together for this race we are striving towards, to reach the goal together for this race. Thank you once again, Sir Conrad Sangma. We have with us today Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh. Kong Nyai Kubleshi Kadeye Nakabenta Jongpi Rukubjo. Kajingdon Jongpi Hange, Ka Ai Jingkamen, Nakabenta, Mawthadraishan, But Kang Nakabenta, Kilongkume, Ikan Hay, Jongka Mawthadraishan constituency. Your presence with us today made an impact especially to the women folk of the Mawthadraishan constituency. Kajing platform ke Jongpi Kong Niket, Bamakiru, Kibun Kam, Kung is spokesperson Jongkan party, Kibun Kam, Kung i candidate Iban Saya Kun, Naka constituency ke Jongpi, Kibun Kam, Kung i member Jongkan National People's Party, Kibun Kam, Henry Pilong ke Balakaloy Iban Sngap, Ya kajing khot ke Jongi, kajing khot ke Jonga, Kamli baka khot mga marway. Henry briew Jong ko constituency, ki khot ya pi, ki kwa ya pi. But nangyet, bakali kajing ke Jong kini ka Jongi, Paiba Jong ko constituency, kin ay mensim, na kabenta Jong kilong kumi, Jong kilong song kibahapo ka Mawthadraishan constituency. Kublay shibon nam, ya kajing platform ka Jong piru kumjo. Hashim ru ya kali kalat, ban ay kublay na kabenta MLA Jong Kanongstone constituency. Isa Macmillan Bersat. Ngajukot di Bakha. Bakha, kapani kot piwan bed. Kim juga nga kakle ke Jong pi. Wakla piwan kam ngikit ko piwan kam. Henry piwan bed, banyadon ringkat bat pi. Hidon ki bahiyin, hidon ki porlok ki Jong pi, hangi hako constituency ke Jong niru. Bat iso iye, bani iru iye pi kumju hadai kapuan pemerintahan. Kubli shibun na kabenta Jong pi. Bat kumjuru, kini kiwi ki, nongialam ki kibana po kapati, kung i Dr. C.R. Ruben, i ba kiet porlang nongrem, i State President Jong ke NPYF, nang ta kinokikam Jong ke youth, iba Sharai Wajri, ba Sherbol, iba Saleng mo, dia dan ringkat bani hakini kupor. Bakam tang na kabenta Jong pi, ukai ba nong kyrshan Jong ke Mawthadraishan constituency. Pikir dia ni, mau kijuang, baka National People's Party, hapok Mawthadraishan constituency, kasdang naka zero balance. Then, kasdang naka zero balance, Nyimdan briew Mawthadraishan constituency. Sir, everyone used to say, since National People's Party is new to the Mawthadraishan constituency, they say that we don't have anybody. We start from zero balance. But now, we have a strong home, I can say, of the National People's Party in the Mawthadraishan constituency. And I know that this will give me support to go ahead towards striving towards the goal that each and every one of us we have targeted. Kani kajingdon ke Jongpi akan digopor ka pemerinta. Kinong kyrshan ki beede ke Jonga. Ki ay mensir na kabenta Jonga. Wala ni siya keren, wala ni siya kawang kti, wala ni siya keno. Hagi babun kilian. Henry kajingdon ke Jongpi ka ay mensir na kabenta Jonga. Ka ay mensir na kabenta ka jingtu ke Jonga. Kajingku kajongi kalong ban trei nak benta ke constituency ke jeni bankin tio ya ke constituency ke jeni namakung ke constituency nila sa event shibutli islam nila yo ya ke Mawthadraishan constituency rehat ini shibutli islam nila sa event kalong ke ege basnosi kabangala jukran man kapor bagala yuturu yang chief minister dan burang ke jeni Makapo ka constituency ke jeni, ngimdan tang kaway ka government college route, ngimdan tang kaway ka hospital ka basisa jengkiaru ha ka constituency ka jeni bro kaway. So like I said earlier, once I have spoken to you that in the whole of the constituency, around 103 villages, we don't have one college also. We don't have one government college. We don't have 100-bedded hospital in our constituency. Hatu kinong Mawthadraishan kejuni ikun samlan kejuni kim kwa balit pulis sakman. Hatu kinong Mawthadraishan kejuni kim dan ngapren kejing pang kejing strong kiba kidan kang banyo yang alat jing ai jing sumar ke bapakang. Ladangi shitom syai ni hablet. Nyin hapalit syakiwi pati constituency. Ladangi kwa dan kuliah di kelas kiba kam he. La kalong haki 11-12, la kalong haki degree, yin hapan lit syakiwi pati di constituency. Pati constituency ke bajantam, kedai hamairam, ha kebani hapan pendut shibun. La kalong iyo ngikwa bandit kuliah, la kalong ngikwa bandit dan pak sumang. Kung ke constituency ngidam dan kam shibun, kita kidai shibentang. Hendai kung ke constituency ngidam kam shibun. Kajing penroi na kebenta jengi kinong song. Panila ang ngut banyo ya kata kajing penroi. Unong ile mentang banyo ya kata kajing penroi. Ngasno kemen wat ngasa keren ben. Henry ngasno kemen bangadan haka National People's Party. Ngasno kemen bangadai ke way lagi dekot jong the National People's Party. Namar ngasno ko bakadai tanggani ke parti. Tanggani ke parti. Kebaktip ya katenrai jong ke jinge jong ke jylla ke jeni. Namar yakani ke parti. Las dang kum ke way ni kiseng riulum. Kebasno ko ya ke jinge jongi kinong song jong ke ni ke jylla. Bat mentah kani ke parti kalakiyo. Kalakiyo. Bala iko yang dari ke parti, kung kaway na ke parti ke bahetam, om tang hapo ke jylla ke jeni, hakari ke jeni borok kaway. Bat ke jingdang ke jonga haka National People's Party, kan ay boarding bat kantang lada pi inong Mawthadraishan, ki ay ke kyrshan ke bapura ke jongki, na kebenta jonga, berila ban poy haka tong jong ke jingjok, haka jingyakun ke jeni, yang ke election, kebengin sayo kami ubenai wan-wan. Nganget ni sayo bagi trei lang. Bingin wanrah ia kata kam penroi. Hapok kali ke constituency ke sini. Kali ke jing tram ke jonga. Kali ke jing temu ke jonga. Kabanga ngaya sakmat banyak kun ya kali election. Pi pun kinong kyrshan. Haba piwan ha kali ke por ke pemerintah. Kadai kejini kenduk lang kejini. Bani i ban soto. Ya kejinglong jingman. Jom ke parti kejini hapok kani ke constituency. Lyngdoh kejini kenduk kejini iwei. Lyngdoh kejini i kejini kini nongialam jom ke parti. Nganget ngin yo ban sim. Ladang yo ban litai yang salah ki jom ki jaka. Pada pamila yo ban litai yang salah ki jom ki jaka. Hadung kasni ke begini yo ban tap ya ke vote ke jeni. Tungin ya trei shitom. Tungin ya durut. Ya ke kam ke begini lah kemu. Bat ke begini lah yo ban mare. Khnang begini yo ban ket yo ke usok jong ke jingjok. Ha ke jeni kun ke jeni. Ha ke ni ke jeni le ke jeni. Haba flexibility ban trei ya ke kam. Kung mga juang na kuwi ke pos na kuwi ke kam. Tu trei ya ke kam dah ke jeni ye. Ngidan kam bangit yang kani yin ke bangit ngidan mentah. Ngidan kam bangit yang kiparan ng kyrshan di jeni. Ngidan kam bangit yang kinong song di jeni. Barpen smoto yaki ya ka jingmot jong ka jeni kun ke jeni. Ya ka jingmot jong ya ki principles jong ka party ke jeni. Bat Myntri ya ka kam dah ke jeni iwei. Ngidan kamru bandan kamensim jong kajing smoret. Tungin smoret habang trei yang kani kam. Namang niya shibun kijing Mak ngin kwa benilet. Nang ni bani dah kajing smo sarong. Banya ko kana benilala mande kumta. Ngilawan rak briew kata. Hantang nilayo ya utala niya kata. Henry trei dah kajing smoret. Ngin smo tho ya katam kajing. Bat Myntri dah kajing yaisha. Ngidan kam man yaisha. Nama shibun kijing pensoi kin sawan hakmat jeni. Kam tam menta shwa election hapok Mawthadraishan kayat yo kata kasan po baka kakatsan baka arko hajar. Ipendit menta shwa election Nama kitip, kiong, baka Kong Biolinda kayale election klaim kapisang. Pati ki arwat ki bengi yale persya, ki breed badannya kata kapisang. Mentang kiwan ban penbit sa piu ba. Bala piwan ban kersyanya nga, ngan ay pi katsan hajar, ngan ay pi arpo hajar. Kita kini kijiwan penbit, tenri itu ngiriaisha, nama ni don ya katong kabaskan, bat ya kali katong ni kwa ban penyo, khnang minyo ya kajingjong. Jadi kini kijingkan tu iet kajonga, nak kabenta jong pi kinong kersan kita iet. Bayo, kanya don ringkat pani, ibla jiyo ban kersan yang na kawai kopor, siya kawai pan. Lawa banyat ya kini kakam, Lyngdoh kajing kersan kajongki. Lawa banyat skam kata kajing mu kajonga, Lyngdoh kajing kersan kajongki. Yai kersan nak kabenta joni, nak kajingat nanti kajing siya nangi sakmat. Bagai kersan ru, hak kajing duai kajongki, kajing duai ni, kajing duai step kajongki, kiba manla kasni, hak idonu kajongki, lau kalong hak kayin kesan kajongki, lau kalong hak kabalang, bakum tak kesan. Kersan yang hak kajing duai kajongki. Day tam kajing duai, bagai kaman kajong blay, ina dan kuai hak kong jong.